Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how I managed to make my first 1,000 bucks online. If it's your first time joining me, and please do not forget to subscribe, like my videos. It does help with the algorithm. And yeah, let's just get to it. So guys, my first 1,000 bucks, my first earnings that I made online was through survey sites. Yes, I was just a regular person just looking for any sort of information where I can make extra money while just sitting at home. So I was skeptical at first. I really was skeptical. I was like, there's no way. And then until I read some of the testimonies where people were like, oh my god, it's legit, it's real, I made so much online. And yeah, that's where I started. And my very first thing that I did was doing surveys. So first things first, what is a survey? A survey is a general view or description of something. Companies or organizations ask for the public's opinion about their products. These are mainly products that have not been on the market yet, so they just want to test those products, asking for people's opinions, and this is where we come in. So guys, yes, surveys are completely legit. Obviously there are other survey sites that just want to rip people off. Obviously, that you will just sign up on those survey sites and then you do those surveys and then they don't really pay you anything. So obviously for every good there is a bad. So for these survey sites, for me personally, or up to this far, I did surveys on them and they did pay me legit real money. Obviously I was skeptical at first, but I just told myself, well, okay, sometimes I need to get out there and find something, because I can't just sit home and just wait for things, yeah. Anyway, I will start with the third one. Yeah, so let's check it out. So guys, for this third survey site, as you can see here, I have done tons and tons of surveys. Other surveys are like 10 minutes long, others are 5 minutes long, others are 3 minutes long, others are 20 minutes long. I think the longest survey that I did on this site was around 30 minutes. Yeah, but then yeah, they do really compensate you well. And for this survey site, the process of paying you, they do use points and they do redeem those points for money. Okay, and I've made 2 withdrawals from this survey site. As you can see, the first withdrawal was in August and the second one was in September. Yeah, and then I only withdrawn 10 pounds each on this, so which is a total of 20 pounds. Yeah guys, I really love this survey site, because this is something that I went out on my own. I stepped out of my comfort zone and I just found this information myself, so that's why I really love this survey site, and so far it has really treated me well. In order for you to get into this survey site, obviously you will need to go to their website. I have a link down below on my description. Please, you can use that link to go straight into the survey site. I feel like it saves the stress of logging into wrong website, so you can use my link below and then yeah, you can go straight into their website. As you can see guys, the name of this survey site is called Surveyeah. So signing up is very easy guys. You just put in your email address and then your password. After doing that, after signing up, they will send you a verification email just to confirm if it's your email address and that you're not using anybody else's. So yeah, you will click on that link in the email and then it will send you straight into your account. I don't remember if they really wanted any verification, like identification, like ID. I don't remember. I don't think they necessarily need that. The verification email is just that, and then you're good to go. Yeah, as you can see here, you need to fill out your general information so that the system aligns you with the correct surveys. This is a very important part where you need to put in your your details. It's just like likes, interests, hobbies, they just want to understand the type of person you are and your personality. This really helps the algorithm to align you to the right surveys, and in turn you make more money. And another thing, I feel like it would be a red flag if you find a survey site that is now asking you about your bank details, like so much personal things like your phone number. There are other survey sites that do request your phone number. You can really tell or pick up, your instinct can tell you they are asking way too much personal information. Give us your account number, your card number as well. Like those are red flags, and you don't need to give out such information. So the available prices is £10, and in order for you to get that £10, you need to have a minimum of 125 points. As you can see here, Skrill, and so forth and so forth. You just need to do those surveys until you get those points, and then you redeem them for these prizes. This is where you will click in order for you to get the survey page, and then they just show up there, and then you click and you start doing your surveys. So guys, that's it for this survey site. It's called Surveyeah, and I really commend. So far I don't have any problems with it, and there was a time where I had questions. I even emailed them, and then they responded. They didn't even take 12 hours to respond, and I was like, that's a good sign. So guys, this is the second survey site, and as you can see here, I have made over 94 pounds, which is equivalent to 1,876. And remember guys, I only did surveys on this platform for like 2 months straight. It wasn't even an everyday thing. I remember for July, I think I only did surveys for 2 weeks, and then August I had problems with my internet connection here at home, so I couldn't do any surveys the entire August. It took 2 days for my money to reflect into my PayPal account as well, and then it took another 2 days for the money to reflect straight into my FNB account. So I'm talking about real legit money here, something that I can really attest to. Yes, I saw the money move from my survey site straight into my PayPal account, and then for me to transfer it from my PayPal account to my actual bank account. And it's money that I really saw. So guys, the name of this survey site is called Prolific, and you will find the link below in my description as well. So first things first, the first thing you need to do is sign up. Obviously you need to put in your email address and your password, and then they will send you a verification email into that email, and that's why you will use the link in the email to access their website. And after doing that, obviously they will ask you more and more questions. Oh my god, and I also forgot to share with you guys the fact that you can access this survey site worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are, you can be able to access this survey site. For surveys, obviously there are other survey sites that you can't access them depending on the location that you're in. So for Prolific and for Surveyeah, you can access that survey site. For them to verify your identification, they will need your picture, and they will also need a picture of your ID. I think they do this just to make sure that you don't have like 2 accounts at the same time. Like, I feel like that's just what they want to do, and also to understand the kind of person that's doing all the surveys. Guys, this is the dashboard. This is the website. After you have done everything, this is their website. This is how it looks. So once you're in the dashboard, you click on the About You section. This is where you answer random questions about yourself, like the language that you speak, information about your education, your lifestyle and interests, your religious background, and all those things. For this survey site, you need to randomly check your About You section, because you will find, or they have updated some of the things. You need to do this so that your account is up to date, and obviously this helps you with the algorithm, and it helps you with getting more surveys. So then let's go to your account. You click menu and then you click account. This is where you will find your cashing out details. It's just an email address. I'm only familiar with PayPal, and it's so easy, straightforward, and so far I feel like it's safe because you don't need to give out anything. You need to give out only your email address. Yeah, and that's it. Your cashing out is instant. They just changed this recently. So the minimum payout is £5. Another thing is, this is your prolific ID. Your prolific ID is very important. You need to write it down. You will enter it as you are doing surveys. Yeah, surveys are referred to as studies here, as you can see. This is the page where your studies will appear here. You don't need to refresh the page, but if you do know that your internet connection is weak, then you will have to refresh it, time and again. Yeah. The number one survey site that I have been making money from, let's just check it out. I love this one because it pays out $1 instantly. After completing your survey, you don't need to wait for anything. They just transfer your $1 straight into your PayPal account or Skrill, whatever account that you'll be using, to make your online transactions. After completing your survey, $1 is in your account. I like that. As you can see on payments, I have made tons of $1 and they were paid straight into my PayPal account. I don't know how many $1 I have made on this one. Yeah, I know some of you will be asking yourself, what is a PayPal account? What is PayPal? Yeah, so PayPal is an online banking system where you can send and receive money worldwide. It is safe in my opinion because you just give out your email address. Whatever email address you use when opening a PayPal account, that is the address you will be using in order to receive and send money worldwide. And it's very nice because then you can link it with your actual bank account. Yeah, and then you can receive money with no one knowing your banking details, which is an extra point. They do pay out in PayPal. They do pay out in Amazon gift cards as well. Yeah, I like it. It's straightforward as well. Yeah, so guys, just like any other survey sites, you sign up, verify your email, answer general questions. For this survey site, general questions are like 30, if I'm not mistaken, 30, and then you start making money. So guys, that's it for me today, and those are the 3 surveys that I have made money. As you can see also in my emails, this is legit money that went straight into my accounts. So guys, that's it for this video, and do tune in for more videos like this, and please don't forget to subscribe. I am on a journey to reach 1,000 subscribers and I really need your help, guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment as well. Share my videos. It really helps with the algorithm of YouTube. And yeah, mwah.